Hey y'all, I'm Jessi Harry and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe. I do lots of food related content over here, what's for dinners, grocery hauls, easy recipes, but let's get into the video. So today's video actually features two super easy crockpot appetizers. That would be great for Halloween or the holidays in general or just a Sunday afternoon. And then I also am ending the video with a Halloween charcuterie board, actually two charcuterie boards. So you're gonna see what I put in there and how I put it together. All right, so the first easy crockpot recipe is going to be sweet and spicy meatballs. So I've got some frozen meatballs here. The recipe I link below actually does homemade meatballs and cooks them beforehand, but this is a lot easier. Some buffalo sauce, whatever kind you like, and some honey mustard, also whatever kind you like. And let's get this thrown into the crockpot. All right, so we're just gonna toss in how many meatballs you want. I was like counting them and then I just decided to make way more, which I'm glad I did because we ate all of them. Then I'm dumping in the entire bottle of honey mustard, which the measurements for everything will be in the recipe link below. I think I actually doubled this recipe, and like I said, I'm glad I did because we ate every single one of these meatballs. And then I'm tossing in the buffalo sauce. I love the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce. To me, that is the best. All right, we're just gonna get them nice and mixed up, of course. All right, so I popped this into my pressure cooker, which actually is a slow cooker as well. I use the slow cooker function for these. And here I am pressing buttons, trying to figure out the time. It is a little different, wonky, but I did it for 2 hours on high, and now they're ready. So here they are, like I said, so much easier just to use the frozen meatballs because it took 2 hours and I was done. So you can eat these meatballs by themselves, just like in a bowl with a toothpick dipped in ranch if you'd like to. They're good that way. Or you can eat them on these little Hawaiian rolls. They're amazing that way. Let me tell you this. My son despises meatballs in any form, hates them, will not eat them. He ate half of those meatballs that you saw me put into the slow cooker. He loved them. These are so good and a definite crowd pleaser and really easy to make, obviously. All right, so our next one up is going to be a crockpot black bean and corn taco dip. So we've got some Mexican style shredded cheese, 2 blocks of regular cream cheese, a can of yellow corn, a can of white corn, which you could use 2 yellows if you want, 2 cans of black beans, 2 cans of Rotel, and my homemade taco seasoning, or you can use the packet, whichever one is easiest for you. All right, so we're dumping in the drained and rinsed black beans, the drained corn, both drained cans of corn, both drained cans of Rotel, the taco seasoning. Then I'm gonna get all that mixed up. And then I forgot to show you me cutting up the cream cheese and placing it on top, but that's what I did next. And then after that, you're just gonna top it with some shredded cheese. And we're gonna mix it up again, which I guess you could just do it all in one fell swoop. I was just following the directions. Do what you wanna do. All right, so you put that in the crock pot, and I'm gonna set this on high and cook it for about 3 hours. So after that 3 hours is up, you're going to give it a really good stir in to get the cream cheese all mixed in. And we're gonna put a little bit more cheese on top and then mix that in as well. If you don't want it extra cheesy, I'm sure you could omit that step, but it's good. And here we go. Look at that cheese pool. I never get that. And so here it is all plated up with some chips. This was fabulous as well. I'm not normally a corn person, but it was really delicious in this recipe. I honestly think the only way it could be better is if you added up some like diced jalapenos, but try this one as well. All right, and last up is our Halloween charcuterie board. The only thing that makes this Halloween is that I made it for a Halloween get-together, and I kind of put some little pumpkins and stuff around it when I show it to you, but it's still amazing. So I've got some cut up broccoli, a tiny red bell pepper from our garden, some cut up cauliflower, grape tomatoes, got some blackberries, a nut mix that I just had in my pantry. You can use whatever nuts you want. Purple grapes or red grapes. Then I've got some dips, some plant-based buffalo dip, plant-based spicy queso dip, so good. These are all from Kroger. Some plant-based cilantro jalapeno dip, regular ranch dip, some significantly spicy hummus, and then I bought this entertainment thing of crackers from Aldi. I got a lot of this from Aldi. This is my favorite thing. I buy them every holiday season. It's so much better than buying 7 different kinds of crackers. Some green olives, some red pepper jelly, some mini baby gherkins, black olives, a little deli selection meats from Aldi. Then I got some plant-based Italian sausage, some cucumber cut up, some cheddar cheese sliced up, some dill Havarti, and some blueberry vanilla goat cheese, along with a baguette. So I'm gonna get the rest of this cut up and then placed on the board, and you're gonna see me put it all together. Alright, so I actually made 2 charcuterie boards, but I accidentally did not record myself making the second one. I will show you the second one at the end of this video. Also, I'm going to link the platter that I used below. It's actually a crawfish platter from Walmart. It was only $3. I don't know about you, but if you buy a charcuterie board platter, they are very expensive. And I mean, some of them are very beautiful, but I just don't feel like spending that much money on a platter like that when I could buy them in various colors for $3 a piece, which I think is great. The charcuterie boards went over amazingly with our guest. We plowed into both of them. Obviously, they're pretty big, and they were basically gone, especially that blueberry vanilla goat cheese. But anyways, continue to watch me put this beautifully together. So here you have it, and as you can see, there is the second charcuterie board. These were so much fun to make. I really enjoyed them. I hope that you enjoyed watching me make them. No, I'm not vegan, but I did have someone over who is vegan, and that's why I had so many vegan options in my video. But I think that they're good. We ate all of it no matter what. Also, the favorite was that blueberry vanilla goat cheese. It's actually not something I would normally buy. I didn't think that I would like it. I bought it simply because it was darker, and I was going for darker hues for the Halloween charcuterie board theme. But there you have it. These are delicious, and I'm basic. I love charcuterie boards. Kill me. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!